Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the difference between int and long in Java. These are two important data types used for storing numbers. First, let's understand what a data type is. In Java, a data type tells us what kind of value we can store in a variable. For example, numbers, characters, or true or false values. Both int and long are integer data types. They store whole numbers. But the difference is in their size and the range of values they can hold. Let's begin with int. Int is a 32-bit data type, meaning it uses 32 binary digits to store the values. Its range is from minus, you can read this number, it's too big, to this. This is the range of the int data types. Default value is 0. We usually use int for numbers like age, roll number, or price of an item. So you can think of int as a small box that can store only limited number of items. Now let's look at a long. Long is a 64-bit data type, so it can store much larger values. Its range is from this to this, and default value is 0L. We use long when numbers are extremely large, like world's population, distance between planets, or a bank transactions. Think of long as a big box that can hold many more items than the int. Here a simple analogy. Int is a small lunchbox which can only hold a limited number of items. Long is equal to a big suitcase which can hold a lot more. So if your number is small, use int. If your number is huge, use long. Now let's see this in action with a simple Java program. Here a int small number is equal to 100 and long large number is equal to this one. You can remove this. These are commas. In this program, we created int variable called small number with the value 100, and we created the long variable called large number and stored the value this. Notice we had a right L at the end of the number. That's because without L, Java thinks the number is an int, and since it's too big, it gives an error. So let's quickly recap. Int is 32-bit, range up to plus or minus 2.1 billion, used for a smaller numbers. Long 64-bit, range up to plus or minus 9 quintillion, used for very large numbers. Both are integer data types, but you should choose one based on the size of the number you want to store. That's all for today's topic on the difference between int and long in Java. Thank you for listening. Do you have any question, you can comment and subscribe for more questions. And if you have any question, you can comment that question. Thank you.